Today I'm gonna tell you how to reset the engine oil and maintenance on 2020 Nissan Rogue. Okay, turn on your car, start the car, and you will see the warning. Yeah, maintenance, oil, and filter. How to reset is pretty simple. Like you have to change these arrows, go to the setting, no warning. Okay, down arrow, up arrow, or right arrow, and you will get this menu, and press the down arrow on the steering, left side of the steering, and go to the maintenance and hit the OK button. You will see oil and filter. Press OK again. Okay, and it's over 8,000, just 420 kilometers. But press the down arrow, reset, and press OK, and asking reset yes. Go up arrow and press OK. Yeah, it's reset it. It's all set. You will not get engine oil and filter setting a warning, but be careful, don't do it without changing oil and oil filter and engine oil. Like this step is after you are changing engine oil and filter. Put the new oil, new filter, and then come up here, start your car, and go to the setting and maintenance, and then oil and filter, and then down arrow, press reset, and it will ask you reset yes, no. Press yes, OK. You are all set. I just changed engine oil and filter on 2020 Nissan Rogue, and now I have reset the engine oil setting. That's it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.